Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a payment from Wise to NatWest. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just go to your Wise app, click on the payments, click on the send button right here, and select the currency, so it will be British pounds. Right here, click on the bank details. After that, click who's your recipient. Then enter details like recipient's bank details, UK sort code, and etc. Here you can select different details, and this is the Swift code or BIC code typically used for NatWest. So as you can see, this is the Swift code, but check it and verify that it is right code. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do transfer to NatWest from Wise. So thank you guys and see you in the next one.